Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jinto from Use Cricket Store, and today I want to bring you a video review of a special bat. Now, when I was a child, I was always used to fantasize, three players whom I really admired at my childhood age. Brad Hodge from Australia, who's like the old warrior or the aging warrior, as I like to call him. Then, obviously, the speedster from Australia, Brett Lee, and also the Mr. Cricket, that's Michael Hussey. And if you observe all of the three players that I mentioned, whenever they used to come out to bat, they used to come out with the Beast bat, which is the Kookaburra Beast that was introduced by them, and the Kookaburra used to make them specialized bats according to their profile. Brett Lee used to have a lower profile because he was always a dasher who used to come lower down the order and whack the bowlers all over the ground. Mr. Cricket was always given a mid profile so that he's the one who would balance the innings and finish the innings when required, accelerate when required. So he always had similar kind of a profile. I mean, the profile that would suited his playing style. But all of them had the lovely Beast stickers that was there, and the Beast, became popular and became a rage in the country of Australia and at the same time across the globe. And recently, Kookaburra announced the relaunch of the Beast in the latest, or in the profile with the touch of modernization to suit the cricketing needs in the current era or the current 2020 or 2021 timelines. Well, today I want to go over with all that summary that I just said. I'm going to go over the Beast Pro 1.0 that we have in stock that came as recently as part of the shipment that we received from Kookaburra. Well, what should I say? First of all, kudos and cheers to Kookaburra for doing such a marvelous job with respect to the stickers. Well, they have stick to what Kookaburra Beast is all about, but this is not where the beast is unleashed. The beast is unleashed on the backside, and there is absolutely no difference to what Kookaburra has been done with respect to the beast. The beast is still trying to come out of the willow in its most aggressive mode, I would say. But take a look at the stickers, guys. It's like texturing, embossing at the highest quality level, and at the same time on the top as well. The texturing and embossing has been simply marvelous, and a touch of excellence by Kookaburra to have such a lovely design out there back in the market again, to attract and to give something for the audience who used to love Mr. Cricket or Brad Hodge or Brett Lee when they used to play for the Team Australia or for any other team for that matter. Well, this is the Pro 1.0, which is the grade 1 English willow that we have in stock, and the grains is certainly something that you would really fantasize for. The grains are huge, or huge number of grains. Let me count them for you. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 grains on this one. 15 grains on this lovely bat. Well, what could you better ask for, right? And this is the profile, guys. Absolutely humongous profile. The edge size is 41 on this one, the spine is 65 and the toe is 28 on this one. Well, and the handle is certainly living up to the expectation. I'll tell you why. You just saw the profile being so humongous. The handle is of medium thickness, and it does come in with the ripple grip, which I like to call it. But very good grip, good quality grip, and it does come in with the 3 cork inserts from Kookaburra, and the stamping is 5 here, and the stamping here is N. And at the same time, let's talk about the profile now. Now, the profile is basically the mid profile. I would say it's not mid to low, it's actually mid, and it does have a light, like I think 2 or 3 of concaving on this particular bat. But not only this particular bat, any beast that you take, there would be some amount of concaving. There is no doubt in that. Well, the weight of this particular bat is 2.9.5 on the scales. Now, that's the actual weight. There is no wrapper, there is no tags, so 2.9.5 would be the actual weight. With that said, let's check it out, that how it picks up. Well, in my hands, it picks up like a 2.9. I would not say extremely light. 2.9, I would say at the max. in my opinion, at least. And then I can attribute the lighter pickup, slightly lighter pickup, because the middle is slightly higher and it does have the medium thickness handle. And if you take a look at this stickers, guys, oh my god, this is absolutely lovely. I mean, seriously, they have done a marvelous job on this one. It's just so something that I have always fantasized in owning one day. Well, I don't know if I will own any beast in this superlative era, but still something to behold for. Really, in my opinion. Let's check out the ping of this bat with this brand new cricket ball. Check it out, guys. Whoa. Beastly ping, guys, beastly ping. Well, you can't ask for a better pinging bat straight out of the box. Well, this is not knocked, this is not done anything, no vibrations in the hands. Beastly ping, guys. Well, I mean, certainly something else to behold. You have multitude of number of grains. Well, there are some seam marks. It would require knocking in. The edges are sharp, so you would require to bone off those edges, knock this bat really well before you even take it to the nets. We can certainly provide that service to you if you were to buy the bat from us, with an additional charge, obviously. But with all that said, now what's the price for this lovely bat, right? So the retail price of this particular bat is $624.99. This is not the only one that we have in stock. We have 3 more bats. That is, we have 4 bats in stock, which is the Beast Pro 1.0 in stock at your cricket store. You can purchase them online, or you can, if you want the exact same bat, then kindly message us on the social media platforms. We'll be more than happy to assist you with the exact same bat. Well, with that said, I want to leave this video with a cautionary note to each and every one of you who are out there, because this bat is so popularly in demand in the market right now. There is a huge possibility that there can be counterfeits that might be roaming around in the market, and especially in the online area. So please be careful over there, guys, and always look out for this original hologram stickers, which is, you can see that it flashes original, and it also flashes the kookaburra bird. That is the hologram stickers, which certifies that this particular bat is an original. And please do buy from certified retailers only, so that you don't end up owning any counterfeits of the beast, because the decals, let me tell you this has already been replicated by many folks out there, and they are selling it for like $15 on eBay. So don't be a target, or don't be a victim for any of the counterfeits, and we urge you to to spend your money wisely. And if you find any good deal out there which is too good to be true, always remember there is something suspicious behind it. So be careful, stay safe, invest your money in the right direction. You don't want to buy from us, no problem, but buy from certified retailers who will be giving you the original products, and that's the only message that I want to convey. Well, if you like the channel, if you like the content on this channel, then we request you to hit subscribe button. Otherwise, it's all good, no problem at all. Enjoy the videos, and until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.